Hi class, I'm about to do a video on doing this exercise. Mean, which is another word for mean, is expected value of a discrete random variable. So let's dive in. And I don't really want my picture here, so it can go away. So here, a pizza shop delivers only one kind of pizza, which is sold for $10 and costs the pizza shop $6 to make. So, well, so that means make $4, right? $6 to make. That's the cost, and selling price is $10. So he makes $4 profit. So the pizza shop has a delivery policy that says if the pizza takes longer than half an hour to arrive, there is no charge. Experience has shown that delivery takes longer than half an hour only 10% of the time. Let the random variable x be the pizza shop profit for a randomly selected delivery order for one of this pizza. Here is the probability distribution for x. So profit, if it's late, then the pizza is free, right? So no charge. So you actually lose $6 because you needed the $6 to make the pizza anyway to begin with. But if it's on time, then you make a profit of $4. So chances of being late is 10%, and so on time is 90%. So you can use the formula, right? You can use the formula of expected mean, but I rather do it on the calculator. So I can put this into a list. So go to stat and edit. Yes, go into edit. So I need two lists. I need list one and list two. So I need it free, meaning I have to highlight L2, press clear, enter, it's gone. And then go up to L1, highlight, clear, enter, it's gone. So I need to put the x values in this one. So the first x value I need to put is negative. I don't use this minus sign. Use this negative. -6, enter, and then the next value is +4. +4, enter. Okay, and the corresponding variables for -6, right, for it being late is 0.1. And to make a profit of $4 is 90% of the time. Then you go to stat, you go to calc, and you go to one bar stat. My list is L1, right? My X list, X values, and my frequency, my probability list is in L2. So voila, my mean, right? Mu X or expected mean is $3. So the pizza shop actually makes on average $3 every single trip, right? On average. Okay, next question. So again, a couple decides to keep having children until they have a boy, at which point they will stop having children. They also agree to having a maximum of 3 children. So the table below shows the probability distribution of X, the number of children such a couple would have. So 1 child, 2 child, 3 child, right? And decides to have until they have a boy. Okay. So on average, now this is they gave you the values of 1 child, 2 child, 3 child, and then the probability associated with each child, right? Number of children. So on average, how many children would such a couple have, right? Expected value. So again, I can clear this, go to stat, edit. Now, since there are only two values here, I don't need to clear my data. I just need to overwrite them because there are only three data here. So here I just put in 1, comma, 1, enter 2, and 3, enter. Then I need to highlight the first one, which is 1 divided by 2, which is 0.5. 0.5, and then 1 divided by 4, which is 0.25, and then 1 divided by 4. Okay, so stat, calc, 1 bar sets, L1, L2, 1.75. So on average, this couple will have about 2 kids. Okay, I can do another one. So here, right, Jordan wants to play basketball game at a carnival. The game costs the player $5 to play, and the player gets to take 2 long distance shots. If they miss both shots, they get nothing. If they make one shot, they get their $5 back. If they make both shots, they get $10 back. Okay, so Jordan has a 40% chance of making this type of shot. So here is the probability distribution of X, right? X equals to the number of shots Jordan makes in a randomly selected game. M equals the amount of money Jordan gains from playing the game. So there are 3 things here. The number of shots he makes, 0, 1, 2, right? Because there are only 2 shots. He can play he can take 2 long distance shots, but he makes 0 of them, or he makes 1 of them, or he makes both. And the money that he earns, negative $5 if he hits nothing, and 0 if he hits 1, because it balances out. And then if he hits 2, he actually makes $5. And those are the probability associated with the money gain, or the shots made. So they ask to find the shots made. If it's shots made and not money made, I need to put the X value for 0, 1, and 2 into the list. So shots made. So 0, enter, 1, enter, 2, enter. Okay, and then the probability will be corresponding probability for 0 shots is 0.36, enter, 0.48, enter, 0.16, enter. Stat, calc, 1 bar stats, L1, L2, 0.8, right? 0.8 is the shots made. Okay. All right. So now it's, a construction company is considering submitting bids for 2 contracts. It will cost the company $10,000 to prepare and submit bids, and if won, each bid would produce $50,000 of income to the company. The company estimates that it has a 10% chance of winning any given bid. Here is the probability distribution of X, which is the number of bids the company wins, and M is the amount of money the company profits from the bids. So they look at the question, expected number of value of the number of bids. So it's not about profit, it's about bids. So same thing, go to stat, edit. I have my value 0, 1, 2. I just need to change my probability, right? Associating probability 0.81, and then 0.18, and then 0.01. So stat, calc, 1 bar stats, L1, L2, 0.2 bits. Okay. Okay, thank you. If there's any questions, let me know. Thank you very much.